Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks for the coming session. This is going to be for Friday, November 1st, 2013. Got some volume kind of just splattered around here as we limp into the last day of this month here in October. Got signals on both sides. A little bit of a volume bump here in entertainment arts EA that's carrying over from the previous session. BlackBerry has a VWAP deviation to the downside, and that one has a differential buy signal. Moving on to the financial names, pretty much going out on the lows of the day here in the financials, and starting to see a fair amount of downside CPS conditions. So expect some weakness tomorrow in the financials, and don't pass on any clean setups that you see. Moving on to the energy names. A little bit better to the buy side here. There's quite a few differential buy signals. BP's got a volume bump yet again today, and ExxonMobil is also trading some pretty good volume. Looking at the generals here, not a lot of signals, fairly light volume. Pretty much looks like we're ending out the month here. Comcast, pretty strong day, more than 2% above the day's open, printing volume that's much better than typical. Housing names, kind of a mixed bag today. There's some on the buy side, some on the sell side. Definitely seeing some follow through from yesterday. We kind of detected this from the scans yesterday. The Hovnanian HOV is especially weak, down more than 2.5%. Transports, FedEx, FDX showing some pretty good volume, and we've got a volume bump here in Norfolk NSC. And finally, on to the commodities. Commodities are set up with mostly downside CPS conditions. You can see the open-close deviations here are pretty much to the downside. And certainly there's some volume here to go along with the deviations in the commodity list. So definitely keep these on your list for tomorrow. We did get a breakdown in gold. Gold's down $25 now, and we could get some follow-on selling at the beginning of the month tomorrow. All right, folks. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.